Welcome to this demo of Rapid30, Intelisense IT's accelerated implementation of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. In this session, I'm going to walk you through the core modules and functionality that comes pre-configured with Rapid30. We'll see how each part of the system works. More importantly, I'll explain the business values behind it and why these features matter to growing businesses and how they can help streamline finance and operations. When you first log into Business Central, you're greeted with a role-based dashboard. Each user sees a workspace tailored to their role, whether it's finance, sales, purchasing, or operations. The dashboard provides KPIs, shortcuts, insights, and action cards so that people can focus on what's important without navigating through unnecessary screens. This kind of personalization is what makes adoption easier and helps teams be productive from day one. Rapid30 comes with a whole host of intelligent automation and AI capabilities built directly into Business Central, features that make day-to-day work faster, more accurate, and more informed. Starting with smart notifications, the system automatically surfaces contextual alerts to help users make better decisions in real time. Whether it's an overdue invoice, a low stock level, an approaching payment deadline, or credit limit, the system proactively notifies you before issues turn into delays. Inventory Forecast uses AI-driven models to predict future stock requirements based on historical patterns, helping businesses plan replenishment accurately and avoid overstocking or stockouts. Similarly, Item Sales Forecast analyzes sales trends and seasonality to forecast demand at an item level. It gives sales and operations teams early visibility into upcoming needs, enabling smarter purchasing and production decisions. Smart Suggestions actively assist during your processes. For example, when you're raising a purchase order for a supplier, the system automatically detects if you've also run out of other items that the same vendor supplies. It prompts you with a smart notification suggesting that those items be added to the same order. If you accept, the AI automatically adds those additional lines with the correct quantities based on replenishment rules and demand forecasts. This keeps the process efficient, prevents issues, and optimizes your process flow without any extra manual checks. The Sales Auto Agent in Business Central is an AI-powered tool that automates the process of creating sales quotes and orders from customer emails. It can read emails, locate customer and item information, check for item availability, and draft a professional sales quote for customer approval. Copilot, which is Microsoft's native AI capability, has a whole host of functionalities that it provides, starting with the Copilot marketing content, which supports marketing teams by generating tailored product descriptions and promotional content using natural language prompts. It helps in creating engaging, brand-aligned communication quickly and consistently. The Copilot item and customer info summary instantly compiles relevant information, from recent transactions to performance metrics, so users can understand key customer or product insights without searching through multiple pages. With Copilot chat functionality, also known as the Assistant Sidecar, users can ask natural language questions directly within Business Central. It acts like a built-in expert retrieving data, generating insights, or guiding users through tasks without switching screens. Copilot for Sales in Outlook integrates AI assistance right in the email client, summarizing lengthy conversations, suggesting replies, and even drafting professional emails automatically. This bridges the gap between ERP and communication, keeping the sales teams productive and consistent. In finance, auto-match bank reconciliation speeds up the month-end closing process by automatically matching transactions between bank statements and system entries, drastically cutting down manual reconciliation time. Late payment predictions analyzes customer behavior and transaction history to predict which invoices are at a risk of late payment. This allows credit control teams to act proactively, improving cash flow reliability. Cash flow forecasting by Horizon gives a forward-looking view of liquidity, using AI to project inflows and outflows across specific time horizons, helping finance teams anticipate shortfalls and plan accordingly. With custom analysis view generation, using Ask Copilot, users can simply describe the analysis that they need in simple plain language, such as show me a list of customers with overdue balance, and the system builds the analysis view automatically. Power Automate Flow Creation integrates seamlessly with Copilot, allowing users to create workflow automations through natural language. Without writing code, teams can trigger approvals, send alerts, or sync data between systems instantly. And finally, NLP Autofill Copilot on Fields uses natural language processing to intelligently suggest or complete data as the users type. It recognizes text, learns from patterns, and reduces repetitive entry, improving accuracy and speed across all processes. The Business Central Outlook plugin brings ERP intelligence directly into your inbox. When a customer or a vendor email arrives, the plugin uses AI to read the content, identify item names, quantities, and relevant details, and then automatically builds a sales order, purchase order, or code directly from Outlook. You can review the detected information, make adjustments if needed, and confirm, all without leaving Outlook. This capability eliminates repetitive data entry, shortens response time, and ensures that every inquiry or request is captured as a structured transaction in the system with accuracy and speed. Together, these AI-driven features turn Business Central into more than just an ERP system. It becomes an intelligent assistant that anticipates needs, simplifies tasks, and helps teams focus on what matters the most, which is making smarter decisions faster. Now let's take a look at the different modules included in Rapid30. Starting with the core option. Core provides the financial foundation every business needs, from journals and ledgers to cash management, tax compliance, and closing routines. We'll begin with the general journal. This area includes the chart of accounts, where you define and organize the accounts that structure your financial reporting. Dimensions are available to categorize transactions by department, project, or business line, and these can be attached to accounts so that reporting is consistent across the organization. Payment methods and payment terms are managed centrally, ensuring that cash application and due dates are handled accurately. With the journal, you can create ad hoc entries, set up recurring journals for regular postings like accruals, or run reversing journals where you need temporary adjustments. Budgets can be established and tracked, and financial periods are managed with clear, open, and close controls. Exchange rates are included for multi-currency operations, and analysis by dimension allows leaders to break down performance in meaningful ways, for example by cost center or region. Currency management ensures your reporting remains accurate across domestic and international business. Next is sales and purchase. Here you can process purchase invoices from suppliers and customer invoices for billing, with posting groups ensuring transactions hit the right accounts automatically. Prepayments can be recorded for staged orders or deposits, while payment journals and cash receipt journals handle outgoing payments and incoming receipts. Recurring sales invoices are supported for subscription-based models or repeat customer billing, and purchase and sales journals allow for controlled batch entries. This integration between sales, purchasing, and finance helps businesses shorten their order-to-cash and procure-to-pay cycles while maintaining accuracy in the accounts. Fixed asset management is another critical inclusion. Businesses can create and maintain a register of fixed assets, record acquisitions either through purchase invoices or journals, and attach insurance information to assets for better record keeping. Assets can be depreciated on a recurring basis, and disposals can be handled via sales, invoices, or specific disposal journals. The system supports splitting or combining assets as well as transferring or reclassifying them. This ensures that the full life cycle of assets is accounted for, from acquisitions to depreciation to disposal, giving finance teams clarity on value and compliance with reporting standards. In cash and bank, organizations can manage payment reversals and cancellations safely, reconcile bank activity through reconciliation journals, and maintain a chart of cash flow accounts to categorize inflows and outflows. Manual revenue and expense entries can be tracked alongside automated ones, and cash flow setup and forecasting provide a forward-looking view of liquidity. Bank account and statements can be managed directly, and reconciliation functions ensure accuracy between system balances and external bank records. This visibility into cash position enables better financial planning and reduces the risk in daily operations. For tax, the VAT module ensures compliance with statutory requirements. Businesses can set up VAT business posting groups and VAT product posting groups to handle the different tax treatments automatically across sales and purchases. VAT posting setup ensures that the right tax is applied to the right transaction, while VAT statements and declarations make reporting to authorities more straightforward and less prone to error. Finally, the closing process gives structure to financial year-end and period-end activities. With functions to close years and periods, finalize income statements, and perform year-end closing routines, organizations can ensure accurate cutoffs and reliable reporting. This reduces the effort spent reconciling accounts manually and increases confidence in published financial results. That covers the core option of Rapid30, which provides complete finance and compliance foundation for growing businesses. In the next section, we'll expand into the standard option, which extends the system into sales, inventory, and purchasing. Now let's move into the standard option of Rapid30. This extends the scope of functionality beyond finance and compliance into sales, inventory, and purchasing, the areas where many businesses begin to feel growing pains as they scale. We'll start with the sales and marketing module. The system supports tracking payments and fulfillment so you know which orders are paid, which are outstanding, and which have been delivered. Sales pricing allows you to manage discounts, special agreements, and tiered pricing structures so that customers are charged consistently without any manual intervention. You can create sales invoices directly for billing or sales orders when fulfillment is required before invoicing. If customers return goods or need adjustments, credit memos can be processed to reverse or correct earlier invoices. And finally, customer management centralizes information about each customer, their transactions, credit status, and history, so that sales and finance are always aligned. Together, these capabilities streamline the order-to-cash process, reduce manual work, and improve the customer experience by ensuring timely and accurate billing. Next, let's take a look at inventory and warehousing. This module begins with item management, allowing businesses to create and categorize products or materials that they buy and sell. Lot and serial tracking adds traceability, which is especially important in regulated industries or where quality control is critical. Pick and put away processes support more structured movement of goods in and out of storage, while warehouse location management ensures items are stored and retrieved efficiently across multiple sites or storages. Inventory adjustments allow stock records to be corrected when discrepancies occur, and inventory transfers manage the movement of items between warehouses or locations. These capabilities reduce the risk of stockouts, excess inventory, and misplacements, giving businesses better visibility and control over their supply chain. The third area in standard is purchasing. This includes managing purchase discounts, so negotiated supplier terms are automatically applied. Returns management allows you to handle goods that don't meet requirements and reverse transactions seamlessly. Purchase pricing ensures that supplier costs are tracked correctly, and purchase invoices capture expenses accurately against vendors. You can also create purchase orders for controlled procurement processes, linking them directly to vendors and inventory receipts. When corrections are needed, credit memos can be issued on the purchase side as well. Finally, vendor management consolidates all supplier information in one place, including contracts, pricing, and history, which helps procurement teams negotiate better terms and maintain stronger supplier relationships. Altogether, the standard option provides an integrated set of tools for managing the entire flow of goods and services, from customer orders through to supplier purchases, with finance automatically updated at each step. Businesses adopting the standard benefit from greater efficiency, reduced errors, and improved visibility across their sales, inventory, and purchasing operations. Next, we look at the Pro option, which includes everything that we've just covered in standard, but extends it further with additional capabilities in sales, inventory, and purchasing and manufacturing. Finally, let's take a look at the Pro option of Rapid30. This tier includes everything that we've already seen in core and standard, but expands those modules with additional capabilities while also introducing manufacturing features for businesses with more complex operations. Starting with sales and marketing, the Pro option not only includes the receipts, pricing, invoices, and customer management that we saw earlier, but it also adds several new features. You can now generate sales quotes, giving sales teams the ability to provide customers with a professional proposal before converting them to orders. Pro also adds sales returns, so return goods are tracked formally, linking them back to the sales orders and invoices. Blanket sales orders are included as well, allowing businesses to manage long-term agreements with customers where multiple deliveries occur against a single contract. Finally, Pro introduces project control, which enables sales and finance teams to track revenue and costs at a project level, providing better oversight of profitability for contract-based or service-oriented businesses. Together, these additions make the sales cycle more flexible, more controlled, and better aligned with complex customer relationships. Next is inventory and warehousing. In addition to the standard features like items, lot tracking, locations, and adjustments, Pro introduces bin management, which brings more detailed control of storage within warehouses. You also gain inventory pick and put away processes which extend beyond simple location movements to more structured workflows that guide the warehouse teams in how the goods should be received, stored, and retrieved. These enhancements reduce handling errors and improve warehouse efficiency, particularly for companies with high transaction volumes or multiple storage zones. For purchasing, Pro again includes everything from the standard tier, but it expands with new features. You can create purchase codes to capture supplier offers before committing to an order, giving procurement teams a clear comparison of pricing and terms. Blanket purchase orders are also included, which are useful for long-term supplier agreements where multiple call-offs happen over time. These capabilities, combined with discounts, returns, and pricing controls from standard, give enterprises more leverage and visibility over supplier contracts and commitments. The biggest addition to Pro is manufacturing. This set of modules transforms Business Central into a system that not only handles finance, sales, and supply chain, but also production. It starts with the assembly bill of materials, which defines the components required to build a finished product. Resource management ensures that people, machines, and other assets are planned and utilized effectively. Material requirements planning automates supply and demand balancing, generating recommendations for what needs to be purchased or produced and when. Inventory management for manufacturing tracks raw materials and finished goods as they move through production. With assembly orders, businesses can schedule and execute production runs, consuming components and producing the finished items with accurate costing. Stock-keeping units allow businesses to track items by specific attributes, variants, or warehouse rules. On top of this, Pro also includes full production control capabilities. We have the production bill of materials, which define not just the components but also the detailed structure of products to be manufactured. Operations and routing give you the ability to model each step of the production process, showing which resources and work centers are needed at each stage. Production journals are then used to record the activity on the shop floor, capturing output, time, and material consumption. With integrated shop floor control, teams can log what has been produced, how long it took, and exactly what materials were used. This provides accurate costing and performance data in real time. Together, these manufacturing and production control capabilities enable organizations with assembly or light manufacturing requirements to manage their entire production lifecycle, from planning and scheduling through to execution and reporting. Costs are captured accurately, resources are utilized effectively, and leadership gains visibility into efficiency and productivity at every stage. That concludes the scope of Rapid30 across the core, standard, and pro tiers. Each option builds logically on the last, so businesses can select the level that matches their current needs while having a clear path to expand as they grow and scale up. Thank you so much for watching. For more information and to get an immediate quote, please visit our website or email our expert team at sales@intellisenseIT.com for further details.